Well, morning folks. Oh, what a lovely morning it is in Miami. Look at this. Totally different to a week ago when we left here. There's actually some blue skies ahead. There's the icon of the seas on the fence, whether I actually like the look of that ship or not. So comment in the box below if you like it. I think it's not the nicest. I think it's a bit of an ugly looking ship, but hey ho. Right. Our plan for today is we will be very much getting ourselves sorted. We have to be out of our room at, well, have to be down at the restaurant at 10, and then we'll be off and then back on. I don't know what the experience will be like, but we'll be taking you with us. Did everyone sleep all right last night?
Yeah.
Good, good. That was Becky from the bathroom shouting yes. I slept fine. I got woke up a couple of times. One when we got into Miami, I think it was when the ship was turning. I could feel it juddering, and then there was something on the shelf started vibrating, so I had to get up and sort that out. Apart from that, I slept really well. My sunburn that I got yesterday doesn't feel too bad today, so obviously didn't catch it as bad as I thought. But yeah, that's it really. I'll keep you posted on how the process goes, and we'll see you when we get back on the ship. And we are back in our usual position on the pool deck, and there is not a soul around, apart from the lifeguard. Absolute bliss. Keep it this way, have the ship to ourselves. That was a fairly painless process anyway, so from us leaving our room to getting back, well, sitting on the pool deck, it's been less than 3 hours, so not too bad. Right, first plate of food of this week of the cruise, and I've gone for the usual suspects. Gone for a burger, some fries, pizza, and some
Sticky pork is Chinese.
beef barbecue, sweet and sour pork it is, with sticky rice. That was nice in there, quiet, hardly anyone in there, it was brilliant. And taps half, sun shining. Well, first drink of the new week. Frozen strawberry daiquiri. Very nice. Yeah, it's my latest drink I've had since we got on board, because it is 12:30. What is that all about?
Your liver might be a bit relieved.
Yes, we were at Hola Tacos and Cantina for our dinner tonight, so we're looking forward to that one. Obviously it's Mexican, so I'm guessing they're going to do tacos and Holas and cantinas. Yeah, looking forward to that one.
Yeah, I'm not eating anything from now, because it's all you can eat.
Yeah, you get all you can eat.
And all you can drink margaritas as well. They've got different kinds of margaritas here.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, they do margaritas and tequilas and...
Do you know, I might have tequila tonight.
Yeah.
And some margaritas. We'll see. We'll see. Right, so we've just come back to the room just to get our pool towels, because he didn't have any this morning when he was making the room up, so he said he'd bring them later on. So I've come back twice to get it, and it's finally been now. So and we're also not sure if we're meant to be doing the muster or not, so we're just going to do it, and we'll watch the video, and then we'll go down to the muster station and find out if we need to do it or not. It wasn't very clear. I don't think we do. Becky thinks we do, so she's probably right, so we better just do it. But it's absolutely roasting today. There's folk wandering about the ship aimlessly, not knowing what they're doing. It's like, come on, get out of the way for us veterans. There's a lot of happy faces though, which is good to see. Nice to see everyone all happy. All the sad faces this morning have been replaced with happy faces this afternoon. So yeah, just been and had a little snooze as well on the pool deck. So hot, it's really close, it's really humid outside today. But I'm not complaining, definitely not complaining. So we've just been down and checked, and we didn't have to muster. So I was right. Not that I'm going to keep going on about it, but I was right. So on to drink number 3 now.
Is that you telling them you were right again?
No, I'm not going on about it. I'm just letting them know that they don't need to muster.
To make the point, is it?
No, they just don't. You don't need to muster if you do it back to backs. Just so you know.
You want to be the person that holds the slipper?
But it's going to cool things down ever so slightly in a minute. Because look at the rain. The rain over there. So yeah, it's going to get very, very wet shortly. I'm going to move everybody inside. We should be alright, we're undercover. Depending on the way the rain goes.
I wonder if they'll do the...
Well, that's us sailing away from Miami. We're about to move the sail away party into the atrium, and it's very, very loud. So just in at the champagne and wine bar, getting a quick drink, and then we'll go find somewhere else. And we'll be getting ready for our Mexican Hola Tacos. Right, I'm on drink number 7 of the day, I think. And it's called, what's this one called again?
Blue Hawaiian.
That's it. It's called a Blue Hawaiian. It's a cocktail of the day. Ooh, it smells Malibu-y.
Yeah, it's got coconut in it.
Wow, it's 2 cards of coconut, by the way. I mean, 3 cards. 163.
Ooh, that's a very nice drink.
Are you finished, Beth?
We're currently sat in the bar playing a game of Phase 10. I won't say who's winning, but you can all guess. Right, so we're in Hola Tacos and Cantina. There's Disney music on in the background, which is very strange, but there we go. So we've got our starters. This is included in the dining plan, and it's a mountain of nachos. Like, that camera does not do it justice. Right, so we've not even finished the nachos yet, and they're bringing more out. This is all part of their dining plan. Apparently it's an experience and they just keep bringing you food, so I'm not going to complain, let them carry on. So we've got, what is it, we've got chicken and beef burritos, isn't it? So we've got chicken and beef burritos, these ones, and then we've got, what are they?
Quesadillas.
And we've got some quesadillas with different sauces, and it looks so good. Unfortunately, the table's not big enough for everything, so we're having to squash it all in, but keep it coming, I say. More food just been delivered. Don't know what it is, but it looks bloody good. And we've both gone for a cocktail. I've gone for the strawberryta, and you've gone for the
Passionita.
Let's try this bad boy out once.
Wow.
Nice rocket fuel, that. Ooh. So we are now in the theatre again. I can't remember what this show's called tonight.
No, I can't remember.
Let's have a look. He's a sec. So this show tonight is called Imagine Ocean. I don't know what it's about. I think it's about imagining the ocean. Celebrating of the ocean through dance, high flying, and your favourite hits from the 70s. There you go. So that could be a good one. Mm-hmm. So we had a very nice meal at Hola Tacos and Cantina. We had it included as part of our dining package, and can't fault it really. But even if it wasn't, it was only $17.99 for all you can eat. but they just kept bringing food out.
It was loads.
She said, if you're still hungry afterwards, I'll bring you more, but we couldn't even finish what she brought out, could we?
No.
So it was good though, really enjoyed it.
'Cause I've got to be free. Free to face the life that's ahead of me.
Well, that show was interesting. I don't think that they're the best of singers on this one. Although when they sung Time to Say Goodbye or whatever it's called, she could sing that. Like, she had the pipes for singing that, but the rest of them weren't the greatest. There was a lot of people got up and left. It was worth watching, but
I won't watch it again.
no, I would go back. I'm still not 100% sure what it was about. Like, there was no storyline to it or anything.
No.
But then that's just our view. If you've seen previous vlogs, we weren't overly keen on cats, and well, that thing's got millions of followers, but for us, cats wasn't very good. If you've not seen that vlog, I'll link it here. Yeah, that's it really. So we've just come to the bar for a wee nightcap, and then we'll be heading back to the room. Beth's half asleep already, so I can't see her taking long to get to sleep. And that's it really, not much else to report. Yeah? Right, so what's tomorrow? Tomorrow's a sea day, isn't it? So tomorrow's a sea day. So at the minute with no plans, might go on the water slides, might not. We keep saying we're going to and then we don't.
It'll be
So
busy tomorrow.
yeah, but we'll see what happens. But whatever happens, obviously we'll be taking you with us. Right, Stephanie, what are we going to ask everyone to do?
Like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
That's right, and please leave a comment in the box below, and we'll see you on the next one.